Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for chemistry practical exams. First, ensure you fully grasp the experiment's objective and its underlying theory. This foundational knowledge is crucial for understanding why each step is performed. Next, meticulously review all safety precautions and learn the correct handling of chemicals and apparatus. Finally, practice drawing accurate diagrams of experimental setups. This helps visualize the process and identify potential issues. To prepare effectively, begin by familiarizing yourself with all common laboratory equipment. Understand their names, functions, and how to use them correctly. Then, mentally rehearse each procedural step of the experiment, or even better, write them down. This helps solidify the sequence and anticipate any challenges. Don't forget to practice solving numerical problems related to the calculations you'll perform during the practical, like determining concentrations or yields. On exam day, start by reading the entire question paper very carefully before touching any apparatus. This ensures you understand all requirements and can plan your approach. Next, manage your time efficiently to ensure you complete all sections of the practical within the allotted period. Finally, present your observations, readings, and calculations neatly and logically. Clear presentation can significantly impact your overall score, demonstrating your understanding. For a final review, discuss concepts and procedures with your classmates or instructor. Explaining things to others can highlight areas where your understanding might be weak. Also, thoroughly review your practical notebook and any previous lab reports to identify common errors and learn from them. Remember, consistent practice and understanding are key to success. And for easy access to all your study materials, check the description for a link to a great e-reader and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.